Here's how to remove background color of text that you copied from ChatGPT. So removing background color is very easy and simple. Let me show you what a background color looks like. So let's just copy a text from ChatGPT first. Alright, ChatGPT, there it is. So let's say, wait, let my chat load up. So let's say I copied this one, and when I go to Word and I paste it, it has a dark background color. So how do you remove it? So it's very easy and simple. First of all, go to Google Docs, just like that. Over here, sign into your account and go to blank and paste it. So when you paste it, it still has the dark color, but you can remove it somehow. When you go over there, you have to go to format, go to text, not text but the donor one, paragraph styles. You have to go over here and go to borders and shading. Go over there and you'll see background color. So just click on the background color and press none and apply. So there it is. Select this one too. Go to format again, paragraph styles, borders and shading, background color, none, apply. There it is. You can do this for all of them just like that. If you do this, go to format, go to paragraph styles and borders and shading, this one, none, apply. There it is. Now you can copy this from here, and now what you have to do is close Word, go back and paste it all in. There it is. You just successfully removed the background color. So yeah, that's basically it on how to remove background color of text that you copied from ChatGPT. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.